the university supplies the MathLab. It's a lot like the Writing Center, but for math, obviously. If students have problems with mathematics, you can send them here. Whether it's algebra, accounting, calculus, doesn't matter. As long as there's a number involved and some sort of mathematical operation has to occur, we're happy to help. To get to the MathLab, you click on Student Resources and MathLab. That will take you to this page. When you get to this page, you're going to find the usual sort of thing. There's a greeting and a form in which a student can ask for help. So when you refer a student to the MathLab, have them visit the forum and ask for help. Also have them supply the problem and the context of the problem so we can actually help them with it. For example, we had a couple recent requests and some good ones, and I'll share them with you now. We had one student just a short while ago ask about, hey, how do I represent wages in a very simple descriptive statistics fashion? So she and I chatted a little bit, and I realized she has a whole bunch of things to discuss, but I would help her by doing the first couple so she can get the ball rolling and start working on her project. So we met, we talked about a couple things such as central tendencies like median and means, along with spread, also known as variation, shape, or standard deviation, if you like that sort of stuff. And by introducing to her to those concepts, I was able to use the 68, 95, 99 rule and help her express the pay scale that a hypothetical electrical engineer may encounter once graduating with their bachelor's degree. Using this example, she was able to go back to her class and begin working on her project. Another fun one was this. It was completing the square. If you remember back in the days when we took algebra, we had to complete the square. We all struggled with it. We came up with graphical techniques. We asked teachers how to do it, etc. There's no difference here. When a student gets stuck on completing the square, I work them through this graphical method using an actual square to complete the square. So we start with the equation they want to complete the square of, and we go through the process of graphically constructing an actual, real, honest square. And during this construction, they'll end up with their answer they need. Also, I encourage students to check their work by working in reverse. So, if you have students who need help with mathematics, no matter what course it is, you can send them to the Math Center and we'll be happy to help them. Remember, please refer them to the Math Center with the assignment and the context so we know how to help them out. It's just not enough to say, hey, I have a question. The MathLab people need to know the actual question, the course, and things like that.